top of the mountain. Yeah. It's up the Regos, look at this. Morning everyone. We've got a nice rainy ride out today. Morning Phil. It's Phil's first ride out today, leading us as road captain. This is going to be fun. We've got a few people here already and we're picking up a few more on the way. So where are we going today, Phil?
Well, to start off with,
let's get you in the frame here.
To start off with, we're going to leave here from 10, inshallah, and then we're off to the Farage for people to relieve their bladders. Then we're having lunch down on the seafront in Aberafan, and then it's up and down, which you'll see later.
Fantastic.
Just remember the up and down, the up and down.
Oh, sounds good. Right, we're going to start getting ourselves together and heading off. Let's go. Right, we've made our first stop. One sec, Phil, one sec. One sec. Right, haven't been here before. Where are we, Phil?
We are in the Farage, just outside Cowbridge, and we have just had the pleasure of seeing about 45 to 50 tractors doing a charity ride. Now, why they are not ploughing the fields today, I have no idea. But they were just blocking up the entrance into the Farage. However, they have gone now.
Fantastic. I think we're meeting up with some more of the guys here.
Then
we're going to be heading off for more of the Welsh coast.
Everyone's running like they stole a dream. Images of magazines. Take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass, watching how nothing lasts. The streets are filled with a hollow glow. The bellies ache where shallow hungers grow. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows older, we all just want to start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. when your fears are nestled by your side. The TV screen burns too bright. You sit and talk, ghosts behind your eyes. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows colder, we all just wanna start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promise there.
Right everyone, we're at Aberavon now having some food. Say hello everyone. Hello, hello. We've got some nice food. Look at the size of that fish. I got some scampi chips and curry sauce. Looks very good, and
Very unusual.
you can see over there the seaside.
The sun is out.
We got the sun out. Beautiful day. We got through the rain this morning and got a nice day ahead of us now. So have some food and we'll carry on riding. We've had some lovely food. I thought before we go, I better do a shot of the beautiful seaside here at Aberavon. And then you've got the Port Talbot Steelworks down there. It's turning into quite a nice day. Anyway, it's time to go.
Try to organize my mind while the world falls behind. Slow waltz around the sun. Every year reveals a change. Looking back now, feeling strange. We all learn to be someone. What happens next? What happens next? Won't pretend to know. What happens next? I heard you say to love is to let go. Turning out the light again while I wrestle what's within. Looking out for a friend. What's the one rule we forgot? Say the story or the plot. Something new is overdue. What happens next? What happens next? Won't pretend to know. What happens next? I heard you say.
We're on top of a mountain.
Yeah,
We're up the Regos. Look at this.
a few were fallen by the wayside, but we are still hanging on in there.
Where have we just come from, Phil?
Abergwynfi.
And we went over to go with the bulk.
Yeah.
Blaengwynfi.
Yeah, Abergwynfi.
Blaengwynfi.
Aye, and Abergwynfi on it.
There we go.
Yeah, down on the left.
With all the fucking same.
It's still dry, but it's looking very nice by you. Anyway, let's carry on. Fantastic day today. Great ride for Phil's first ride out. He did really well. Lovely route. Some roads I haven't been on before. Well, I'm nearly home now. If you've watched, thank you for watching.